Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Jenny's Talk Show. And Eunice says, yeah, we talk about gist of the whole universe, anything at all. We talk about fake people, we talk about anything at all where they go wrong, or things where we say we still see where we don't see they bring change, or things where we still see it don't they go worse. We will talk about time where we bring any kind of topic, any kind of show at all, we bring it in here. Thank you. As you're going to watch this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to drop your contribution, don't forget to subscribe. If it's your first time of joining me, subscribe on your notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you, and may God bless you. Today, I get advice I want to give our Nigerian people who be say that they use any kind of platform. I get message for them. I won't beg them say with God what would they serve, I beg them say may they not let people who create all this platform they use, may they close them down because of them. Yes, may they take them easy. The fight whether they carry they come on social media these days, it don't too much because of what you know get head. What in they say you they use a Facebook account, either Facebook page or Facebook group, another person can join you, the cooperate. What in they there? What in they there? When I want them is on enough they do business, see person where they close now, where they do same business. When I know say this word where would they so big, anybody can get in customer from anywhere. Facebook too big to accommodate everybody. We don't need to fight on ourselves because say you see person where you know where open where open group, where open page, where they do the same thing where they do. The Facebook too plenty. If you do your thing, anybody, if everybody with this life say may they enter Facebook business, it will accommodate everybody. YouTube too plenty, it will accommodate everybody. All you need to do, at least YouTube they pay, abi. You do one as you do your own. Get your followers, get your subscribers. Make your money if you want make your money for there. Stop to the fight people unnecessarily for waiting don't make sense. Stop to the why Nigerians like be like this? Why Nigerians matter to always they're different? All these things what they do now, when they fight on ourselves, people they do them before when I come. Or you both them when they do all these social media things so. We know they hear their voice, so we know they see that they fight each other because they know person will go open their own. Why una own be like this? Una not feel change. Una country wanna take come another man country, call it they fight on ourselves. One are supposed to they find money when una come so. It is spoiled, here they go. Where we see they try our possible best, may we see whether by the grace of God, God will give us Biafra what we pray for, because Nigeria don't tire we. Una wahala don't tire us. Now the same one on a sticker come another man country. See they continue the thing. You risk your life. You come another man country for greener pasture. You not feel face down where carry you come. You want to fight your fellow human being because say una they do the same thing. Because say una open YouTube, you open YouTube. Because say you open Facebook page, you open. Because say you get Facebook group, you get. Or you see person where your group, can't go enter your own group. Una go just they monitor people up and down. They monitor people when they listen on a matter self. I beg una in the name of God. Mona not carry that you can't want to take them from a country. Come another man country. Come spoil another person on. We tell God a beg una. I am speaking even for the people when no feel speak out. I they speak for them too. Because I know say as it tire me, now so it tire many people. Maybe they don't get the chance to talk out, or maybe after all, they don't get power to take face people. But to me, I don't send, I don't care. Me, I don't really talk my own as I take siam. You want verse, now you sabi. You want carry for your head, that one is your problem. You don't concern me at all. Oh. My own to drop message. I tell God when me they serve. To beg una. Una fight. Because of social media platform, you don't too much. Una no feel accommodate to ourselves. Una no feel love on ourselves. Una no feel encourage each other. Una do the same thing. May you favor this person, favor that person. It's a shame. It's a shame. I beg una, my people. As soon as come across this video, una share, may you reach there again. May they watch, may they not talk, so they don't see, they don't hear. Because this one, if it tire you, as it tire me, I want to see your contribution down below there. Talk what you feel. If I'm just crazy, you let me know. If I talk the truth, you still let me know. Thank you as you're going to watch, share, subscribe for me. May God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.